Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a bit of a comparison creating files in Perl and in Python. So first of all I'm going to create a subroutine here called create file. So it's going to be a text file that we're going to create. So that's the subroutine there. And in Python, the subroutine is called a function. So create file. Okay, what we've got to do, I want to create the file on my desktop. So in Perl, we create my scalar path here, assign it to my desktop. Okay, and then I use chdir change directory to change into that path. So now we're on my desktop path. Okay, so first of all I'm going to start off, I'm going to do the Perl version first. So what we do is we do open and create my scalar file handler here. And we do this here, which creates the file and writes to the file. We give the file a name, so file x.txt, just random like that. And we do or die, an error handler, and simply I'm just going to put error here just so I don't run off the screen there. Okay, which I have done. So I'm just going to expand it a little bit more. Okay, so that's how we create the file, and we've called it filex.txt, and it's going to be done on the desktop. And then all we do is print, let's say scalar file handler, and then a message Perl file. Okay, then we just simply close it. Scalar fh there, and then what we do is we run it by calling it create file. Okay, so just save that. In fact, I'm going to call it Perl. Okay, that's better. Let's run the program. Okay, it's looking good. Let's go and look on the desktop. And there we go, Perl. Inside we've got Perl file. Okay, so that's how you do the Perl file. Now let's start with the Python. Again, we want to create a path to the desktop, so simply path c:// desktop, desktop, no it's not, it's mark and then desktop. Right, so we want to change into that path, so we have to import the OS module here, and it's simply os.chdr, similar to Perl, and then the path there that we want to change into. Now in Python the subroutine is called a function. So we're going to create a file now, so we use with open, simply name of file python.txt. Let's just expand that a little bit over there, 1 second. Python.txt, let's bring that a little bit over there like that. Python.txt. Then we need a little flag on here, which is W, which is to create and to write, and the file handler, file object. Okay, let's just expand that a little bit more. Right, now we do file object dot Right, and in here we put our message. I'm Python. Okay, and that's it. We don't have to bother with closing the file because when we use this with open, it automatically closes it for you when you do this, so we don't have to do that. So let's just have a look at that. So file object, okay, and I'm just going to print a message here. Print file created, just to tell the user at the end. And again, all we do is we call the function, which is create file here. We save it, and then we run the program. Okay, file created. Let's go and check that out. So Python there, and we've written to the file I'm Python. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.